Hi all, hi everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, Friday, January the 8th, 2021. We have here the second Sudoku and it's a 4-star Sudoku. I will only do 4 of the Sudokus in this additional, and one of them is a 4-star Sudoku, and this will be number 2132. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 4 is 9, 10, 12, plus 4 is 16, plus 4 is 20, plus 4 is 24, plus 1 is equal to 25 again. Yes, I've told you the publisher has published the last few weeks all the Sudokus with 25 printed digits. Alright, so is this easier than the previous Sudoku? I do not know, maybe faster, maybe difficult, more difficult, so we will see. So let's get started. An 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between, the only place for an 8 should be there. Then the 8 in this row, the 8 in that row. So in the middle a row, the only place for the 8 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. Then 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Let me see which number I can pick. How about this big square? 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 1. We see here 2 and a 1 in this first row, so no 2 and a 1 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And now, let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 3, 9, 3, 5. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 9, 4. 3, 9, 4, 6, 7. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the first row is a 6. We see here 6. So no. One of the 2 of those missing numbers of these 5 empty boxes are the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 and a 6 in this big square. So no 7 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. 7 and the 6. We see here 6. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then yeah. me think. 5, 5. I'm scanning. Alright. Ooh. Yeah. I'm thinking. Yeah. Alright. 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4. Ooh, 3, 5, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are 3, 5, and 4. We see here 3, so no 3 there. We see there 5, so no 5 there. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. And then okay. Let me think. 5. 1, 5 in this column. 1, 5, and the 6. Yes, we have a pair here. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 1, the 6, and the 5. 165. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this row. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Let me mark those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Alright. 5. No. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the middle column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4. 2, 9, 4. 5. How about 6, 4, 8. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those numbers are the 4 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing in the third row. 6, 8, 4. 6, 8, 4. We see here 6 and an 8. So no 6 and an 8 in this box. The 6 and the 8 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes so we can follow it easier. So 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 here. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and a 3 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 9. The 9. Okay, the 9. Alright. Yes, we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so in the first column, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Then. And then yeah. How about the numbers? Three missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is a 3 in the last row. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Two numbers left. In the last row for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 3 here. So this can be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 2. 2 in the third column. 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for a 2 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 9, I believe. Yes, 9 is missing. The 2 missing numbers in this big square should be for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 numbers. Alright. 5, 9, 5, 5, 5, 9, 3. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those 3 numbers in this big square are the numbers 3, 5, and 9. 3, 5, 9. Look, we have a 3 and a 5 there, so no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. And look, we have the 4 and the 9 here. So in this box, no 4 and the 9. The 9 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 3. Alright, now we have a 3 there, so this is going to be 3 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 3. Alright, so we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, we see there 3, so no 3s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3, should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 2 boxes left now in this big square. For the numbers 7 and 8, 7 and 8, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. First digit, alright. Now we have an 8 here, so this can be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 6. Alright. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright. How about the 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3. All right. Then 1, 2, 1 to 6, 1 to 6. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so no row above. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Now we have a 9 here, so this is going to be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 4. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 4, right? 1 number left in this column for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this row, the middle row, for the number 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this can't be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 6. Then now we have a 4 there, so this can't be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 2. Final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. A little bit slower than the previous Sudoku. So, yeah, I'm very pleased with the time for a 4 stars Sudoku. Yes, if it's a really 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more. But I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus. It will be a binary and a tectonic left. Yes. See you later. Bye bye for now.